little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, fly through my window. Find molasses candy. Hi friends, it's Miss Dawn from Look for the Rainbow Music. I've been seeing flying V's of migrating birds and little birds in my yard eating sunflower seeds and cherries from trees. When I hear this song, I wish a little bird would fly through my window looking for candy. This song is very easy to teach. We say the same thing 3 times. So I'll say it and then you say it. Little bird, fly through my window. Then you say it. Little bird, fly through my window. We say it a second time. Little bird, fly through my window. 3 times we say it. Little bird, fly through my window. And the 4th time, we say something different. We say, find molasses candy. You try. Find molasses candy. And if you don't know what molasses candy is, I'll show you at the end of the video. Good. We're going to sing about some of the birds that are in our land. What bird is this? That's right, it's robin. Robin, robin, fly through my window. Robin, robin, fly through my window. Robin, robin, fly through my window. Find molasses candy. There's one more part to this song. We say this 2 times. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. And a little shorter. Through my window, my sugar lump. Then we say the same thing. Find molasses candy. Do you see it? Good. Who knows this bird? With its green and blue, iridescent, shiny tail, white body and wings, and black head and beak. It's magpie. You say it with me. Magpie, magpie, fly through my window. Magpie, magpie, fly through my window. Magpie, magpie, fly through my window. Find molasses candy. Keep going. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Through my window, my sugar lump. Find molasses candy. Very good. Who knows this bird? This is a big one. These are flying in the sky, making the V's right now. The V's of migrating birds. That's a goose, Canada goose. So we're gonna sing Canada Goose. Canada goose, fly through my window. Canada goose, fly through my window. Canada goose, fly through my window. Find molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Through my window, my sugar lump. Find molasses candy. I promised I'd show you the molasses candy, so here it is. It's a toffee candy made with molasses. Check the discussion for more about this song and check out our website, www.lookfortherainbowmusic.com. Goodbye, friends.